Alright fellas, so it's nighttime and I'm going to install this heavy duty D-rings on my 4Runner. It comes with some washers in there, and this is kind of how it looks. Alright, that's the D-ring, that's the thing. Alright, so the 4Runner already comes with D-rings. Those right there. I've already put one out in here, so those are the D-rings that the 4Runner comes with. So what I did is I just put them in there, and I just put the washer in there. So the washer is mainly for noise. So I just put them in there. Very straightforward to put it in there. I'm gonna put it in that one right there. Very straightforward. Just have to run it, screw it, and be done with it. All right. So that's what it is. Those D-rings. Have a good one.